Here comes the winter. Because of the cold weather, some maintenance requests in your property may become urgent. Is your property management ready for emergencies? Do you have somebody to call on for when the heater doesn't work? What if the pipes freeze over? What about other winter disasters? You don't want to keep your tenants waiting in the winter. Make sure you've got somebody on hand that can quickly respond to emergencies. The RRD Vendor Database can help you locate quality vendors. The RRD Vendors Search service lists vendors for all of the needs of a property manager or real estate professional. Search for things like plumbing, heating repair, carpet cleaning and repair, foundation repair, flooring, glass and mirrors, pest control, and more. Have a vendor you would encourage other property managers to use? Are you a vendor yourself? Sign up for your free business listing. The RRD, simplifying your real estate needs.